everyone, please join me in my first ever video and trip to Thailand. Let's start when I arrived there. On day 1, we hired a tuk-tuk and we went around. Tuk-tuk literally in their language means tricycle, as mostly used as their way of transporting. So Varnabhumi Airport to Royal Ivory Nana Hotel, the hotel we stayed at, is 31 kilometers, 21 minutes drive from the main road. So mga taga Cebu, mura ni ng tricycle, mura sa pag Cebu ang Thailand. We stayed 2 nights in Bangkok, leaving to Chiang Mai, and stayed in Lichang Boutique Lana Hotel. After eating our breakfast, we roam around and taking wonderful pictures. Prasim Temple, I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly, is a Buddhist temple in Chiang Mai, northern Thailand. This mall I tasted the best baboy recipe. And this is what we are waiting for, the Dragonflight Zipline Adventure.
Yeah, no. Bank. 老婆没有鼻子们要吗？
不要。
Long nose.
No nerd or no boyfriend
I have a
他不要你了。
no.
Number 6. Go to the station is the 2 minutes platform. My friend or me tell you, feet up. You feet up or foot ho?
What? Ako will go first.
Yes.
Feet up.
Ah,
up.
okay. Superman.
My friend tell you, feet up.
Remember to keep your leg up when you land.
Wait. Okay.
Wait.
Scared or no?
Definitely we enjoyed a lot, obviously. Package includes zipline with 55 platforms, skyboard and bridge, timber ladder, and with free lunch.
Remembrance? Oi, Superman. I'm scared. Yes!
Okay.
No!
All of them laugh at me. Hoo hoo. Okay, got my new keratin ribbon. I don't know if ribbon or... After reaching the hotel, our first place to proceed to, and I was really excited to visit, is the Pattaya floating market. We took, I think, a dozen of shots there. This market sells different kind of goods and valuables, from fruits to vegetables, and every kind of foods that you can think of. There's restaurant as well, but the little concern is the misunderstanding and language barrier. Parasailing in Pattaya is an extremely popular way to enjoy a unique view of the beach. And here I got my first life experience. And will not leave without experiencing scuba diving, of course. We have Coral Island tour and sea walking too. We starved and we proceed to Lobster Restaurant where we tasted their fantastic delicacies. I am foodaholic and I love tasting foods, especially in different places. That's all for today. I hope you appreciate my very first attempt in making this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I will upload more soon. Thank you and stay safe.